Hello crafty friends, do you have a bunch of brightly colored carnival tickets that don't really suit your junk journal or the themes of your projects? I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make these vintage looking so they can suit your vintage junk journals. I'm going to start by placing my tickets on a waterproof background. I'm just using a plastic shopper. I'm now going to apply some household bleach to the tickets. I've put the bleach in a spray bottle and I'm just going to spray liberally over all the tickets. It will take a few hours, but the bleach will lift all the color out of the tickets. I then place the tickets onto a paper towel and leave them to dry overnight. Once these have dried totally, you will see they're almost totally white. Some of the color might have stayed back a little bit, which is fine. It all adds to the charm, but they're basically blank canvases that we can color any way we like. To add color, you can use acrylic paints or watercolors. I'm going to use my Tim Holtz oxide sprays. I'm going to use the colors Vintage Photo, Brushed Corduroy, Antique Linen, Scattered Straw and Tea Dye, and I'm going to do a combination of spraying and then just dripping on the top, just splashing just randomly. There's no right and wrong way here, just add the color any way you like. You can add lots of different things at this stage. I'm going to add a bit of stamping. I'm using the Brilliance Pigment ink in Cosmic Copper and just doing a few little leaves just here and there. This will just give it a little bit of a metallic luster. If you don't have stamps or inks, you don't have to do this part. You could also hand draw on some scribbles or some doodling, or you could just leave it with just the color. To add a bit of contrast, I'm going to add some white splatter. I'm just going to use some watered down white acrylic paint and just splatter it over all the tickets. I'm now going to distress the edges with my distress ink. I'm using the color Vintage Photo. I'm just sort of cutting the tickets in groups of 2. That's sort of how I would use them in a pocket in a journal, and then I'm just going around each one, and then I'm also folding it in half in the middle and just distressing it there too. You don't have to do this part. You can also edge it maybe with a colored pencil. You could do machine stitching if you like. There's really a lot of options. I'm just showing you a really basic quick way to remove the color from your bright tickets and then add vintage colors to make it more suitable for your junk journal. I'm also experimenting with my color burst powders. I'm using the turquoise here just to see what it will look like to add a little bit of color to the tickets. And then also using the fuchsia in the color burst powders to add a bit of a bright pink. And then I'm also going to use my Kitsch Flamingo oxide spray just to add a bit of color. This is great for experimenting. Do try lots of different colors, different mediums, and just see what works best for your tickets. I would really love if you subscribed to my channel. I have lots of tutorials, junk journal flip-throughs, and art journaling coming your way on this channel. Also hit the little bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really hope you were inspired to change up your carnival tickets. Let me show you a close-up of some of the tickets so you can see the beautiful effects that were created with the inks and the colors. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.